This video is going to be a little different. You will be relieved that I won't be talking to the camera this time. Just Model T action with a little bit of voiceover. My recent videos about Model A wheels on a Model T have been pretty popular. To film the wheels in action though, driving over rough terrain, I had to improvise some odd camera rigs. This video is not going to detail my camera rig setup. You'll have to wait for a future video for that. Rather, this video will provide an unedited glimpse into the process of filming my car in action by myself and will show some of the successes and failures resulting from the different rigs. To film myself driving my Model T over public roads isn't easy. To get good perspectives requires that the camera be fairly far away from the car. I don't have a drone to follow me, nor a cameraman on a motorcycle to chase and film me in action. So I have to rig a camera onto the car somehow, but before any of that, I have to find a suitable location for the film. The vast majority of rural roads in my area are asphalt paved, straight, flat roads through farmland. It's beautiful, but not what I need for many of my videos. I'm always exploring rural roads and dead-end tracks to find good locales. Google Maps helps a lot. Before a day of driving and filming, I will scour the map for potential off-the-beaten-path roads and tracks. When I set out, I drive directly to my target road. I usually have a GoPro mounted to record the trip, most importantly, to record the arrival at the track I want to explore. Most of my setups are some sort of camera on a stick arrangement, sometimes as much as 2 meters or 6 feet long. I stabilize it with guy lines wherever I can. Here you can see the result of mounting the camera out to the side. You wouldn't want to try this rig on busy roads. Of course, you have to try to avoid smashing the camera into the roadside floor as you're driving along. And with a narrow field of view, you can focus on the wheel and suspension action. With the camera pull out in front of the car, you get this neat looking back perspective. Of course, sometimes things go wrong. As I mentioned earlier, I'll make another one of these behind the lens videos soon that shows the camera rigs in detail. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe as an offering to the YouTube algorithm gods. Thanks for watching. You might be interested in this other behind the lens video where I discuss my in-studio setup.